There are a number of organizations, even in our session today, that are apprehensive about use of AI for valid reasons. The thing is, this is a technology that's going to be the baseline in the future, right? So today, people who know how to use AI and leverage AI effectively in their work, they have an unfair advantage today. Tomorrow, this is going to be an essential skill. So there is that future readiness aspect to it. You absolutely have to invest in your own skill set, regardless of your organization, to be future ready. Because like it or not, everybody's going in that direction. The fear partly comes from not knowing about it, right? Not exploring it enough. So once you've explored it, once you've known it, both the risks and the opportunities, now you're in a position where you can take an informed decision around how you leverage AI in your work. So I think the knowledge around it is essential so that you can take an informed decision. So that's what I'm going to say to those people. It's like learn, explore, and then decide.